Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well. Today we have 9 off-campus hiring update for college student freshers pass out and experienced candidate are also eligible. Please watch this video till the end and also do share with your friends. All companies apply link in the description box. Apart from this, those who have not watched channel last video, then please go there and watch. I think we had discussed good hiring in that video. In fact, 10 companies apply link are there, and most of the companies apply link are still active. Yeah, so please don't miss the update. Go there and watch and apply for the companies wherever you are eligible and interested. And also do check channel recent videos. Yeah, so again, please don't miss the update. These day companies are hiring in urgently and they have good number of opening. Yeah, so this these time are very good to get a job. Okay, so please don't miss the update. Subscribe the channel, like the video. Yep. So first hiring is coming from Jensen Technology. This is a very good update for all freshers candidate are eligible here, and they are looking for Gen AI project. Okay, yeah, so it's a great update. Those who having a skill in AI related things, okay, data related things, then this is a very good opportunity for them. So please do apply, okay, and try to figure out on these skills, at least basic one, because there's not a moderate level hiring. We can say it's a easy to moderate, so easily you can crack this, okay. So they have both work from office and work from home work mode. Okay, yeah. So it's a very good update. Fresher salary range would be starting from 3 LPA based on interview merit, but they will give you the good increment and all. Yeah. So please do apply. Any graduate candidate are eligible here. Yeah. So this is a pretty good hiring for candidate. Next update is coming from Wipro company. They had announced opening for trainee role, Chennai location. 2024 and 2025 batch student are eligible. BTech MCA candidate are eligible. So it's a great update. Again, these all are the required skill set. You can check, go through once, and do apply accordingly. This is a good update. So please do apply 2024 and 2025 batch student as soon as possible. Next update is coming from NTT Data Company. Again, this is a good update for Bangalore location. Freshers are eligible. 2024 and 2025 batch student eligible, but there is a uh, required mandatory certification CCNA Global. So if you have, then only you are eligible here. If you don't have, but you are interested, then please do. This is a very easy level certification. Easily you can crack if you study 2 to 3 days, 2 to 3 days only, within week you can crack this certification. Okay, all the dumps courses are available on Google. So yeah, so this is an easy one only. You can see all the compensation things. Okay, yeah, so 2024 and 2025 batch student are eligible. I guess any graduate candidate are eligible for this hiring. Yeah, so please do apply. Here you will get immediate joining. This is urgent hiring. So they already count down the timeline for hiring interview. So 25th September is the last date. Okay, so register now only. You will get the direct assessment link and interview call. First is online assessment virtual. Then you have a technical interview and the final management interview face to face. Okay, in office. Bangalore is the location. Yeah, so any graduate 24 and 2025 batches 20 are eligible. Yeah, so please do apply if you are interested. Next update is coming for Power BI developer role. Again, faces to experienced candidate are eligible. Hyderabad is the job location. Check the required skill set and do apply accordingly. It's a good update for faces and experienced candidate. If you have these skills, then please do apply as soon as possible. Next update is coming from Sony company. They are looking for full stack development intern role. So this is for college student, final year student are eligible. If you have done or pursuing BTech, BSc, then you are eligible. So final year student and recent graduate candidate are also eligible. So 2025 batch student eligible, 2024 batch you can also try, and 2026 batch student you are eligible. Yeah. So these all course branch candidate are eligible. So please do apply as soon as possible. This is a good update only. अक्टूबर से आपका internship start हो जाएगा. So yeah, so it's a good update. Please do apply. And I guess it's a remote work. Okay, so it's a work from home job. Complete work from home आपका internship रहेगा. अगर आप अच्छा perform करें, then they will give you the full time job also. So this is a good update for all freshers and final year student. Please do apply as soon as possible. Full stack development role है. Next update is coming from SCL Tech Company for 2024 batch and 2025 batch student. B BTech student are eligible. Okay, in the domain of cybersecurity. So this is a new role. Okay, new phase hiring we can say for cybersecurity role. So those who have a specialization, certification, skills, okay, any project, then this is a very good update for you guys. Please do apply. So if you have done BTech in CS, IT, IS, or maybe in cybersecurity, you all are eligible here. Please do apply as soon as possible. Job location, interview location is Noida, Chennai, Bangalore, Lucknow. So this is the apply link where you need to fill the form. So please do register as soon as possible. This is a very good update for cybersecurity domain role job hiring. Yeah, so if you know someone, then please share this video with them also. This is a good update, and they have really good number of opening, and the interview will not be hard. It's a easy to moderate level only. Next update is coming from Deloitte company. They are looking for analyst role. Freshers and experienced both candidate are eligible. This link is for freshers. Okay, so freshers are eligible here. Check the required skill set and everything, and accordingly you have to apply. Also, do mention these all skills in your resume, so you will get shortlist at earliest. Next update, same role, but the here experience candidate are eligible from 1 year to 3 years. Okay, yeah, so accordingly you can apply and also share with your friends if they are eligible. If you know someone. Next update is coming from CGI. CGI is hiring here for new role, that is AI developer apprenticeship program role. 2024 and 2025 batch student are eligible. This is the apply link where you need to fill the form, do registration. Okay, so do register as soon as possible. While filling the form, they will ask you about CGI employee email ID because this kind of referral hiring. So for that, you can ping anyone from CGI employee and you can ask them for email ID. Okay, just go in the LinkedIn, search CGI. On CGI official LinkedIn page, you have to go in people section, and there you can ask to anyone from Indian employee. Definitely, they will give you the email ID, and by using that email ID you can do register. Okay, if you have any doubt, then please let me know in the comment section. Also, you can join our WhatsApp channel, that link in the description box. Telegram channel is there. You can ping me one to one your doubt on our Instagram, that link also in the description box. Yeah, so there are a lot of options for you. I am here to resolve everything. Last update is coming from Concentrix company, and they are looking for representative operation role. This is a non-tech job, customer support role. Yeah, so any graduate candidate are eligible here. So if anyone interested, then you can apply here. I hope guys these all hiring definitely help you. Soon you will get placed. Stay tuned for more such content, hiring, job update, and other content news update related to corporate job and so on. Okay, yeah, so thank you guys, all the best.